Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have an Arrabbiata sauce with a nice penne. And if I butchered that, then I'm sure the tears of 1,000 Italian grandmas will drown me. Anyway, first thing we gotta do is get a half a white onion chopped up and sweating away in our pot. All right, after the onion has sweated away and the quarter cup of olive oil you should have added before that, time to add 7 garlic cloves. Minced, of course. All right, then you just want to give this a stir around and give the garlic about a minute to cook. Remember, be careful of the heat. At this point, it should be on medium to maybe medium low, because again, cooked garlic tastes great. Burnt garlic tastes like shit. Okay, everything's getting all happy. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. Yeah, this sauce is a bit on the spicy side, but it's not bad. It's not too bad. And now it's time to add a 28-ounce can of crushed San Marzano tomatoes. Cento has a good brand, so use that. I like Cento tomatoes. And then you want to eyeball about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste in this and give that a stir around. And after you've given this a chance to kind of simmer down, I added about 2 teaspoons of Italian herbs to this. And then you just want to add salt, pepper to taste, and cook and simmer this for about 15 to 20 minutes. You should have a pot of water getting ready to cook your pasta. Also, reserve a little bit of pasta water if this sauce is a little too thick for you. Okay. And after the 15-20 minute mark, time to add 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley along with 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped basil. And by now your pasta should definitely be in the water. So give this a couple of minutes and we'll be ready to add the pasta. Okay, time to add the pasta. You can probably kill the heat or bring it to very, very low. Stir this around till all the noodles are coated. Again, if you don't have quite enough sauce, you can add a little bit of pasta water to thin it out. Okay, when it looks something like this, we're about ready to serve. Okay, so we got some in a bowl. I decided to kind of skip over the pepper this time. I figured it's already spicy enough. But to combat the spice, you can always add a little cheese. So some freshly grated Parmesan goes over the top as a last little embellishment. And that's it. That's Arrabbiata sauce with penne. Done.